Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zig, the programming guy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today we are diving into one of the most popular music distribution platforms out there, Distrokid. Is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. Distrokid is a digital music distribution service that allows musicians and bands to upload their music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and over 150 other streaming services worldwide. But what sets Distrokid apart from other distribution platforms? Let's take a closer look. One of the main reasons Distrokid has become so popular is because of its straightforward, artist-friendly features. Let's go over some of the highlights. First off, Distrokid offers unlimited uploads for a single annual fee. This means you can release as many singles, albums, or EPs as you want throughout the year without any extra charges. Another major perk is that Distrokid allows you to keep 100% of your earnings, unlike some other distributors that take a cut of your royalties. Distrokid only charges that yearly fee and leaves the rest to you. Distrokid is also known for its fast distribution. Your music can be live on streaming platforms in just a few days, which is great if you are looking to release your music on short notice. Now, let's talk pricing. Distrokid offers three main plans: Musician, Musician Plus, and Label. The basic Musician plan starts at just $29.99 per year, which is pretty affordable for independent artists. If you need more advanced features like custom release dates, pre-orders, or the ability to use the label name, the Musician Plus might be better for you at $39.99 per year. For those of you managing multiple artists, the label plan starts at $89.99 annually. So, what are the pros and cons of using Distrokid? Let's break it down. Pros include the unlimited uploads, keeping 100% of your earnings, and affordable pricing. The platform is also very easy to use, making it ideal for independent artists who want a quick and simple way to distribute their music. On the flip side, one of the cons is that Distrokid doesn't offer detailed analytics unless you are on the Musician Plus or Label plan. Also, if you ever decide to leave the platform, your music might be removed from streaming services unless you pay an additional fee for a leave a legacy option. Now the big question is, should you use Distrokid for music distribution? Well, it really depends on your needs as an artist. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to distribute a lot of music, Distrokid is an excellent option. But if you need more in-depth analytics or support for multiple artists, you might want to consider upgrading to a higher plan or looking at alternative platforms. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you want to sign up for Distrokid today and get 7% off, use our referral link in the description of this video. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow musicians. And if you've used Distrokid, let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more music industry tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.